see, go live. Nothing too hard, nothing too weird, nothing that other people aren't able to do. It's a little bit. Mate, come on, man. Is Wi-Fi really like shit like this in my area? It's actually a bit unbearable now. I actually need to sort this. Medieval Wi-Fi, bro. It ain't even that. It's actually worse than that, bruv. Man, what the in all seriousness, there'll always be like 2 or 3 rooms that don't get Wi-Fi. Mate, what service are you man providing, man, bruv? Like, you want Wi-Fi in the fucking house, right? You want it everywhere in the ass. But you can't really seem to get it unless you have about 100 boxes around your house. And then you got a box in every room. Looks fucking retarded. No one wants a little Sky box in their rooms. Fuck, I've got enough wires as it is, man. Like, look at this shit. Do you know what I mean? Like, there's already enough fucking wiring going on here anyway. Do you know what I'm saying, man? I'm taking a shit trying to watch a video. I can't even watch a video. Man, I'll go shit in my bedroom floor if I get to watch a video. Like, fuck me. Do you know what I'm saying? What, the YouTube? Man, I want to put my fist between one of these monitors. What I'm doing is just picking what one right now. Let me have a double check. One of these monitors. What I'm doing is just picking what one right now. Let me know if you make a good comment on YouTube. You got your body, guys, too bad. It means you get it. I got charged with fitting because I pissed in the sink this morning. Bro, pissing in the sink's bare good. It saves bare time. Sorry, I didn't mean to invite you. But bro, it's lit, man. Bro, pissing in the sink's gang, for real. And you piss in the sink, you save your mum bare water. Mother's life, promise you. This water bottle's blue, why is it? Right, no, for real, man. You just let your for real. You just sit your package in the sink and bro, you're good, man. I promise you. You don't miss. There's no big flush. You can just wash it away. Just saying, I haven't even got to go back through this. I've already done a massive analysis for this in the office. Fuck you, EK. You get your body cash too bad, it means to get it. Oh yeah, we actually ain't even looking now. Right, come on GU, give me a little something. Let's have a little trade to the upside. Trade for the 15. I'll be an happy man. 15 because we took daily liquidity. Just makes sense. It just makes sense. As far as you boys, I wouldn't look at GJ. GJ is very one directional. It's quite hard to actually get in GJ at the moment. No, I don't trade equities, bro. I only trade FX pairs. I still look at DAX. I still look at NAS. Still look at Dow Jones. Do you know what I'm saying? I still look at S&P. I still look at these stuff to obviously dictate where currencies are going or the strength of the dollar, weakness of the dollar, etc. But I don't trade them specifically, no. GJ just buys all day long. Yen basket's bearish. We did because you got to think, right? The opening gap actually opened here, so fuck all this price action off, yeah. This is actually our new week opening gap, and then okay, whatever. I don't even remember how to use that replay mode. As you can see, we come back down a little retracement to about 50%. So yeah, it kind of did already mitigate. It's come into it 1,000,000%. But with NWOG, you are mainly looking for a feel of it. Not like a fair value. Fair value, obviously, just a tap off's fine, but a new big opening gap being completed is quite key. I feel like if it's left, then it does make it hard for PA. And I'll still be on my bunny shit. Come on, you gotta be smarter than that. Look at your body, body's too body means get it. Cause is the match trader chart more accurate than Trophy? No, I mean that's not what makes it accurate, bro. What makes the charts accurate if it's the right broker? Do you think I just read the comments out, EK? Do you think I just read them out, not knowing what they're saying? It is a good question, though. They're always moving differently. Yeah, the reason why they're moving differently, match trader, depends what you're trading, bro. For an example, if you're trading with... for an example, right? Say you're trading with ACG, Alpha Capital Group, and you've got an MT4 account, then you're much better off looking at your MT5, whatever, for your analysis, yeah? It's going to be much more closer to your price. On any other scenario, again, if you're trading, say, Blueberry Markets, the brokerage, then you're going to want to use what platform they say to use, right? Because that's where you're going to see your actual price-based point, because all different brokers have different liquidity providers, so their prices are always going to be a little bit different, okay? So, yeah, if the match trader is the account where you've actually are placing your trades, then obviously that will be much more closer, right? Just makes sense. Something to... it's a good question, though. I don't think I've ever answered that before, actually. That's actually a good question. Because that bit is quite confusing. Because you look at GU, for example, right? Like, let's go on this GU. We've got GU here. This is a Wanda. We go to FXCM. Not much different, to be fair. And then we'll go to Forex.com. Not much different. The thing is, the candles are a little bit different. But obviously, we're looking at a bit of a bigger picture. No, not much different. Not much different. But you can see some of the candles are very different. If you just focus your eye on the candle, it would probably look very differently to the previous one. Like, for example, right, we're in the 15-minute here on whatever the fuck this one is. What one are we on? God knows. But if we go back to a Wanda, oh, we're coming up to it. We're not quite in it. So there's always like a little bit. It's always a bit off, right? But yeah, the best one to use is the one on where you're actually placing your trades. No. Did YouTube go again, Stu? I restarted it. I think I'm sweet. Anytime, bro. Anytime, man. Yeah, no, we're back on YouTube, Stu. Back on a few minutes ago. Do you remember the pair that you got your first 100k funded? Do you remember the first pair that got you your first? I'm pretty sure it was either GU or EU. It was because it was either GU or EU. Yeah, no stress though. But yeah, it's either GU or EU. I can't actually fully remember, but yeah, it was GU or EU. Or GBP CHF. I'm pretty sure it was GU. But yeah, I used to trade GC. My 3 pairs I used to trade, right? I used to trade GBP CHF. This is pretty much like an EG. Do you know what I'm saying? It's pretty much like an EG. You got 2 European pairs. The only way it's going to really fluctuate if the dollar got... Actually, to be fair, a little bit different because the CHF is a safe haven. But yeah, the 3 pairs I traded was Euro USD as well. And then obviously the absolute king, definitely my favourite. Will always be my favourite, GBP USD. You know me, you know this makes me horny. Mate, you could, honestly, I don't even, not even, man, I'll be honest, I don't know what the fuck I'm on about, actually, to be honest. I'm not even going to continue where I was at. And that's still be in my bummy shirt. Yeah, we good. We cooling. Hey, boys, if you're on TikTok, by the way, I'm streaming over on YouTube. Come join in there because you can actually see my full screen. You see me. No, I don't have autism. Yes, I do have ADHD, though. Could have autism, to be fair. Everyone's probably got a splash of autism, don't they? Gold's still coming down. Again, safer assets are still getting sold. They're not really getting bought up. Gold's getting sold. We've got a big sell-off on gold. Bonds, we've got a big sell-off. The GB 10-year yields are up 2%, which is fucking massive. So because that's up 2%, it means the yields have gone up by 2%. Pretty much meaning that the bond prices come down because the government wants people to buy them. So in other words, the demand is definitely dropping for bonds, for commodities, CHF, the safe havens coming down, JPY, the safe havens coming down. So safe havens like gold, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, bonds, they're all getting sold. All right. So right now we're getting the lift of these uncertain markets. So if you're someone that's had a quite difficult year so far, don't stress, your time is here. We've actually finally got a bit more certainty back to the markets. Again, that's what I think is key every day. Every day I'll do this. I'll look at gold, look at bonds, and see if safe assets are still getting bought into. Not only that, is the VIX is down 9% nearly. 9 fucking percent. What the VIX is the fear indicator for the S&P, right? So if we see the VIX come down, we get a little bit more of a certain market, okay? The volatility is coming down in it. So obviously vice versa. If it's going up, then it's pretty uncertain. It means that the market is feared. So uncertainty is higher. Yes, Hulk's what we saying, broski? Wow. I'll drop you a message later about what I found out about my trade over the weekend. Lovely stuff, Michael. So I like to hear, bro. Give me a shout, man. I'm active as shit. I'm active as fuck. As literal fuck. Voice crack. Did I get a little voice crack? Come on, we're all human. We're all human. And I'll still be on my bummy. Oh, that's actually stuck in my head. Do you know what else is stuck in my head earlier when I was doing the garden? I was doing a bit of gardening for the mum. Man, I had that Deji song stuck in my head earlier. They're annoying. But you know when you're singing it, thinking, bruv, like, my mum was there as well, just like, what are you singing? It's always started off, I ain't gay, but I do gay stuff. Like that. I kept on singing that part. Just like, really, Mace? Really, bruv? You not just stop that for a hot, genuine second? You know what I'm saying? Also, how comes you don't go live on TikTok from your laptop? You wouldn't bed to prop you. You wouldn't. Fuck! You would need to put your phone up. It's because, bro, we keep getting banned, so you can't do the TikTok studio if you keep getting banned. And you know us, we can't stop getting fucking banned. What risk do you use for prop firm challenges and do you use a fixed RR? Cheers. The risk is losing the buying power. There's minimal risk to a funded account. Well, put it in this perspective, JP, right? If you need to pass your challenge, say if you paid £500 for your challenge, yeah, you haven't passed it yet, so you're pretty much leveraging £500, right? So you're risking £500. So that's what's up for grabs for the prop firm. And obviously, when I say 3% of traders pass their first challenge, I think it's something like 6% pass their first challenge, and I think it's like 3% of that 6% pass the second phase. and I think it's like a couple of percent of those people past phase 2 get their payout. That sounds confusing, but yeah, there's a lot of things to think about. I don't use fixed RR, man. I've always traded depending on the trade at hand, and depending on what liquidity I want to aim for, right? So, in terms of a very efficient move, I like reacting to the markets. I don't like presuming them. So when I say reacting, right, if I've got a very, very bearish pair, like for example GU, I'll be aiming for more. Okay, I'll be aiming for a bit more, as you can see, not just the Asia low this time, not just a Friday 50, but Friday low. Okay, it kind of made sense. Friday 50 was fine, but yeah, I mean, you boys know me. I'd rather get in and out as quick as possible, but I mean, when we've got price moving so one directional, still getting banned. It's a lot harder than it seems, Mac. Yeah, a lot harder than it seems. Bloody thicker than water. Okay. I'm always good, Mac. You know me, bro. How you doing, man? How you doing? I ain't gay, but I do gay stuff. No, let's get on my head for real. Windows open, neighbours are outside in their garden as well. Probably hearing me just sing that. Surely there's not a copyright to that song. Oh, man. How you been? I'm good, man. I'm good. How you been, G? Same old shit, different day. Consistency's key. Discipline's key. Weather's been nice though. I'll be honest, the weather's been insane, especially this for the last like 4 fucking days. It's been well nice. My bias in EU is shorts, but I do want to start seeing a bit of retracement. We're seeing the XY continue down a little bit here, which is perfect. So I do want to have the buy to sell. Main move being the sell. Obviously the retracement move being the buy. We want to get a closure above that, and then the same for this GU one here. I wouldn't even count that as a closure, man. You wanted a ticket for Wembley if I got some, bro. Louis down. I'm on it, man. I'm fucking on it. Are you joking? I'm definitely on that shit. What day is it? What day is it, Dills? Saturday 24th. It should be alright. Let me double check though, man. Let me double check. I've got a memory like a fucking fish. We're 3-0 going into tonight's game, so I think, oh, you man are alright. You man are sweet. What trades you looking for, bro? At the moment, I'm looking for buys on GUEU just for that retracement. Main positions are the sells, so if this movement here is too efficient, then I will be looking for those shorts. But yeah, essentially my bias right now, right, boys, is I want to see price come up to come down. All right, everything that goes down needs to come up. Everything that comes down needs to come. Everything that comes up needs to come down. But obviously, you've actually got to use some form of concept towards that. Otherwise, that's way too vague. So I'm waiting for the retracement of this leg here to come into a relatively high area within this trading leg. The reason why is because I want to see price come into the top 50%. The top 50% of this trading range. OTE is a lot better, so we're looking at that for our OTE. So we are pretty much looking at about like 50% of this fair value here. Friday 50s close as well, so we could even let price run to that. But in terms of the hourly time frame, right, we're just chilling. I want to see this get retraced soon. Very similar to EU. Just want to see that get retraced. I think we're seeing this trade through very soon. We've got 6 minutes left of this candle, so we'll see if it closes above or if it just don't. But that's still being a bunny shit. Let's see what else. Right, I haven't got that trade for it. EG just still looks shite. Looks like it's just continuing down. We've got some equal highs here, so I reckon we've got some inducement liquidity to come and take. So for Bryce to come up and then continue to take external would be very nice. We'll see. We will see. It's Monday, so we're not forcing anything. Again, it's a massive data day, really. Is YouTube back up? It should be, bro. It should be. Yeah, we're still on there, boys. Nice one. It's hella hot. Man, it's hot today. I'm that type of guy that don't really like heat. I'm the type of guy that you fucking find it bare uncomfortable. You know what I mean? I don't know, man. I'm not a real big nice weather guy. Sound like a prick, innit? Sound like an unlikable dude. No, but you know when it's too hot, man. No, in the last day, honestly, the only thing you want to do is actually just go in the deepest bit of shade or something that's just freezing cold. I don't understand. Them man who fucking sunbathe on holiday. Oh my goodness me, are you crazy, blood? I know you want to get a nice tan and that, but come on. Fair play. No, you've actually got, honestly, fair play if you do sunbathe. I feel like that is a very hard thing for me to do. Yeah, man, proper draining. The thing is about sun, it gives you energy, right? But I feel like it gets to a point where if you get too much in a singular day, that starts working back on yourselves and your energy levels just drain if you don't keep up with, like, water consumption. Do you know what I heard the other day? Horrible. Actually, I don't know if it's true. I'm not even going to say it because I probably don't think it's true. It's going to make me sound like a dickhead. I don't know who told me that either, to be fair. Or if I just dreamt of it. I don't know about you, man, but do you feel like your dreams come like sort of no, this gonna sound bare homosexual. I'm not even gonna lie. That started off, but I'm not even gonna continue that. That sounded homo as hell. No cat. Let's see if we get easy trade up again. But I'm still more bearish euro than pound, so we'll see. Just trade through, man, before I impregnate you. That is a little bit of a joke. You've been skiing before, Mace? No, I haven't, man. I can't tell if that's like a sexual thing. No, I haven't, man. No, I want to go skiing, though, man, for real. See, that's nice. Cold weather. I'm a cold weather guy, for real. That's me all over. I'd rather be freezing cold, frostbite and all them ones than overheated, man. I'll be honest. I'd actually rather be freezing cold. What would you, man, rather be? Would you rather be freezing cold or burning fucking hot? I feel like you could die. I feel like you would die quicker with being too cold, but I feel like it would be less draining. Man, I'd much rather be freezing cold, for real. I'd actually much rather be freezing cold than boiling hot. Carl, because it's easier to warm up, whereas you bare hot, how the fuck can you calm down? Yeah, for real. It's a good point, actually. Cold, yeah, man. I'd say, for me, it's just got to be cold. Always nice weather outside. And you know as well, I think we like heat too much sometimes, but I can wrap up a heating on if got, yeah, trust, facts. It's facts. Plus being bare sweaty. Yeah, man. I get bare sweaty, bruv. I'm just one of them, man, that drips. But I feel like females are the opposite round. I feel like men would prefer colder weather, but I feel like females would actually rather hot weather. Like I'd rather be steaming hot than stupidly cold. I sleep with no blanket even in the winter. Why are you sleeping with a blanket anyway, Stu? Don't you have a duvet or something? In the summer, I have to have a really, Mace? Come on, man. I need a fan. I barely need a fan in the summertime, man. No cap. Is it summer now? This can't be summer, is it? When does summer start? When does the summer start? Oh, in the UK. Oh yeah, 21st, 22nd of June. What the fuck is it then? Autumn? No, it can't be autumn. That's fall. That's when the leaves fall, isn't it? What the fuck's the other season called? Spring. There you go, spring. Spring. Spring cleaning. Nah, spring, for real, man. Spring's fucking hot as shit at the moment. Bare hot, man. I ain't gonna lie. Actually low-key unbearable as well. Hope it don't get too much hotter than this, because... Innit, Stu, why are you sleeping with a fucking blanket? In the winter? When you say blanket, what do you mean by that? Like, do you actually mean like a thin blanket? Like, do you actually mean... I think you might be the only person watching on TikTok. Join on YouTube, Stu. Innit, Tommy, blanket. Yeah, trust. What do you mean by blankets, Stu? I'll probably actually... I think I've got one in there. What do you mean blanket? You mean something like this, yeah? Like something thin, yeah? Oh shit. I think my sister made this. That's ratings. I meant duvet, but I do use a thick blanket, not knitted. Not knitted. Aren't all blankets knitted? Oh no, this is... Okay. I was gonna say, bruv. No, it's fair play though, because holy shit, it does get mad hot. AG doesn't look like it wants to come up to that order block. Let's see if EG actually wants to reverse or if it just continues down. GU definitely has a high chance. We've got to close that 15-minute in 2 minutes. Just a tea towel. Stu just butt naked with a napkin. That'd be a nice night's sleep. Like a Spartan, yeah. Literally just like a Spartan. Just like Adam and Eve. Well, Adam from Adam and Eve. Did they have last names as well? Well, last names weren't even a thing back then. Like a Spartan, 2 minutes. Sorry, what's that? Morning, my boy. Morning. Where the fuck are you at? Ronaldo. Oh, to be fair, it's a pretty cool name. Ronald Santiago. That's a cool name, but I can't tell if you're English or if you're Portuguese. I can't tell if you're American or Portuguese. But yeah, this candle's gonna close in 2 minutes, is what I meant, bro. So we got 30 seconds, well, about 15 seconds now before this candle closes. They were brother and sister. Oh, wait. Okay, well, something really weird's going on here. Really? Oh, Philippines. What, Philippines? Imagine only having first names. Innit? Like Hulk. Not like the Green Hulk. Wait, does Hulk have one name or two names? Philippines, come on, bro. That's not a really Filipino name, is it? Ronald Santiago. Oh, we had a closure above. Oh, what? So his name's not even fucking Hulk? Or is that just his last name? Was named after Reagan. Oh, right, I've got you. Fair play. Giovanni... Bro, what's the point even trying to fucking say that name? It does sound techie as hell. It's like it's literally like Givaldo. Oh, bro, who's that Brazilian football player? Is it Givaldo? It is Givaldo, isn't it? It's like Givaldo and Ronaldo put together. Or is this... No, hey, it's like Ronaldinho and Givaldo put together. Giovanni... It's a shit name though, man. You can't... It's a good name, but you can't fucking say it. Givanildo. Sounds like... Ildo. Givanildo. It's a shit... I can't even say it right, man. It's a fucking difficult name to say. And I still be like, I believe it is. Cause, claiming that you got war with me. We going like our summer, we were ready. Not having a trophy, that must be on about Rivaldo. Oh, that's it, Rivaldo. That's it. I thought there's not a Givaldo. No, fuck football, man. Because I'll be feeling like I'm 50 years. I kind of want to see a trade for on DXY before we have that. Or it doesn't make too much sense. Yeah, I played golf Saturday. I was up at Faden Boys. I played shit. I played awful, man. It's the first time I played there, and bruv. You know when you feel like getting your putter, putting it under the green and just dragging it as far as you can? Like, just hammer your putter into the ground and then just fucking rip the green. Yeah, man, I'll be honest, I couldn't putt for nothing. That's it, Garincha, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Garincha and Ronaldinho put together. To be fair, it is like Rivaldo. Yeah, it is like Rivaldo and Garincha put together, actually. Garincha. Man, why can't these men just have more simple names? They sound techie as hell. I can't put this in my life. Alright, got a good drive though. Yeah, no, I'm normally good at putting, man. I literally just bought 3 new clubs this weekend off my mate's dad. I just bought 3 new. I bought a driver, Callaway, Big Bertha driver, Big Bertha 3 wood, Big Bertha 7 wood. That 7 wood's forgiving as shit. That 7 wood's good, but mate, yeah, it's hard to hit a driver, man. Irons, I'm cool with, but driver, nah. 3 putts, yeah. My putting's alright. But my worst, I think my worst is my second shot. My worst shot is definitely my second. Definitely. If G-Trade comes through, get that out of your head, EK, man. For fuck's sake, Man United are not winning the league next season. Like, it's so even crazy to think that's possible for United at the moment. It's just not possible. Like, I'm not even just saying it to be a hater because, man, I like I'm a football fan, you know. I'm not just a West Ham fan. I'm a football fan, but I'll be honest, I can't see United winning, bro. I can't. I feel like you're not going to listen to me, though. Wait, what is your reasoning, EK? What's your reason to thinking that United will actually win the league next season? What is your justification to putting £1,000 on it? £1,000 on Everton to get relegated. Are they coming up? I thought Sheffield was coming up. Oh, actually, 2 teams come up, don't they? Are Everton in the Prem now? You're bored, so you're gambling. That is not good, EK. That is not good. I'm going to take your word for it. If you're an EU, I want to see EU come back up a little bit more. Start pushing up. Feel some of this imbalance to the left. And then see how we react to this area here. Do want to see it continue that bearish move. So commentate that low. But I do want to see it trickle up. Just retrace up a little bit more into this area. And then start seeing a sell-off. And the same thing for GU, really. I mean, I'm mainly looking at GU. As you can see, GU's has developed a little bit further. We've traded through the 15, come back to the entry, but we've traded through that 15. I think DXY has traded through, so it's about to trade through. This next 15 minutes, we've got about 6 minutes left. 10k on West Ham to foul and file bankruptcy next year. You cheeky bastard. I'm seeing if GE makes his 5.5 a geopolitical highs. Fair play, Skull. The thing is that I don't like about buying to sell is the way that you don't know what to target for. Targeting is very difficult when you're going against a bias. So for a buy, it would be hard for a TP. That's why with that GU, I was aiming for minimal as possible. Anything just above 2.1 was calm. Buying against the dollar. It's risky moves. It's always risky moves buying to sell. But again, boys, if you're that type of guy that wants to get in as many positions as possible, you're going to get more trades, more losses. It's just how it works. But main positions are obviously those sells around this area here. Oh, fucking hell. Boys, if you're on TikTok, man, come jump on the YouTube links. The link should be in my bio. I don't know if the link is in my bio. Actually, you know what? Let me go on the Richess account. Let's go on that second account. Oh, oh. I'm not actually. I'm actually barely showing the chart, so it should be alright. I'm pretty much just showing myself. Hey there, and I've been feeling like I'm made for this. But price action has been really good today. I'll be honest. It's actually been not a bad day at all. I've been enjoying it. Gold's come back up a little. I mean, gold is still down about 2.5% at the moment, so it is looking pretty short. Pretty short. We're seeing it come up a little though. It's at 3,220 this morning. Now it's back to 3,240. GU is having that nice buy off now, which is exactly what you wanted. But obviously we didn't actually have DXY full of suit, and we still don't. So still a little bit bewildered from that front. Give us 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes. We'll have a bit more. Trump making the markets wild. He is, but he has made him a bit more certain, which I do rate him for, man. Appreciate the likes. Appreciate the likes, bro. But yeah, no, I respect him, to be honest. He's not done too bad. That US-China deal did not come out bad for them, man, at all. At all, by the way. Mate, I hate when people ask this question. What platform do you use? Like, what do you mean by that? Like, what do you actually mean by that? That always confuses me. Because when we talk about platform, bro, it could be a community, it could be a brokerage, it could be a fucking platform like MT4, MT5. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's... That question is so hard to answer, man. So hard to answer. How you been? I'm always good, my bro. How you been, man? How you been? I'm always good. Same old shit. Also got follow the Instagram, man. Make sure you go sub to the Instagram or follow, whatever the hell you call it. Or follow on that motherfucker. That's when you just start. That's when you just found out about trading. What's that? Leaving it. Nah. Gold longs is a difficult trade to be in, man. I don't think safe havens are favoured right now, to be honest. I was going to do something. What was I going to do? Yeah, trust me, man. Like, I actually barely don't know how to answer that question. It's a very broad question. We're on summer, we've already. And I've been feeling like I'm made for this. Yeah. DXY is just not giving us his trade for. I bet GU's still pissing about, to be fair. That's not too bad. EU and GU really. GU looks really nice, so I'm mainly looking at GU. But yeah, EU and GU shorts pretty much. Boys, if you're on TikTok and you want to see my full screen, come on YouTube. I'm streaming right now on YouTube, so just come jump on there, man. Sweet, Tommy. I'll see you in the morning, yeah, bro. Talk in the morning, man. What even is the time? I'm jumping off in about 15 minutes anyway, boys. I just want to see if what GU does here. And then we'll just come back tomorrow morning with the members at R6 and reevaluate where we're at with the markets. We've got no more news for the day. I did not mean to move that. Yeah, I mean, we had no news today anyway. Claimant count changed tomorrow at 7, so we'll see how that comes out. That's looking quite bullish. Actually, no, bearish, sorry. That's change in employment looking to drop by about 4.4K. No, so looking to come up by 3.5K or something. So it's quite a lot. It's quite a lot. Yeah, I'm trading this week, bro. 100%. I'm trading this week for sure. Why wouldn't I be, bro? Bro, this Monday is the most volatile Monday I've seen in a while. It's purely because of the news we had. We had that UK and US deal. We had the US and the China deal come out today. Quick math, yeah, that was dreadful math, that. Dreadful. But yeah, we had the US and China deal come out this morning, early hours of this morning, which came out very positive for the dollar. Pretty much they had those tariffs. The US had 145% tariffs on China. That's now cut to 30%. And then we had the 120, 125, pardon me, I can't remember what one it is, tariffs on the US, which have now been cut down by to 10%. So a bit. That's why we're seeing a bit more certainty come back as well. For that reason there, which is lovely. So Trump's actually made it a bit more easy for us to trade. We can't see your chart. Yeah, bro, I'll be real. We keep getting taken off. So come join me on YouTube, bro. I'm currently streaming on YouTube right now. So come join on YouTube. TikTok do not like it when you show the charts, man. They hate it. Hate it. Cause EU still not come out. What's EG done so far? Oh, it could come back up. We've not broke that low, so it definitely could come back up. We'll have to wait and see with EG. So again, just still sitting in the same spot. Let's just get this on. Definitely could get this trade through here, which will definitely trigger us a GU entry. So let's just keep that there. Let me just get this all ready. I think I was looking at a 12 pip stop. And then just to that prior 50%. That'll do me. Don't want to see his DXY trade through. Do have a bit more time, but it looks like he's moving quite heavy. Hopefully we can see GU come back down to come up. Nah, I don't trade in New York, man. I don't place trades during New York. But yeah, I'm again still looking at the same narrative really. So it's not going to be too much different to what I was looking for during London session. Just obviously we've had a few more sessions since then. Oh, bro, I just fucking bare scratched my arm there. not even that bad. Impregnus. Can't see my camera. Just did that straight to the sack. Okay, that's not too bad. Come on, GU, man. Let's get our eyes back on DXY. We've got 10 minutes left of this candle. Come on, have a little trade for us. All we want. Continue that bearishness and we'll be happy. After half past, I'm going to jump off. I'll see if we do get an entry for GU. There definitely is a chance. I just feel like if we're going to have to see this DXY trade through this 15, the last 15 minute in that range, in order for us to obviously confirm the bearishness. Until then, we're just waiting. We're waiting for that for the 15-minute candle to be fully formed. It's moving nice. And then yeah, we'll go from there. We'll definitely go from there. EU started to continue up now, which is nice. Yeah, GU started to clean up quite a lot. Maybe EU might be in the nicer positions. Keep our eyes peeled. Might use that 5 minute or that one, they've all been mitigated. GU still come up. GU come up. That's all we really need to know, to be fair. I think we're all good in what we know. It is kind of running without us. We've got 8 minutes left of the candle to see if it comes back, retraces a bit more into the entry. To be fair, I say that not really because we do want to see the closure of this candle close below for DXY. I think we are coming down a bit lower now, which is nice. I'll stay on this screen here. Come on, DXY. Come on, boy. Close the candle. What do you think, mates? What the hell is that hanging out your phone? It's actually a butt plug for a phone. Nah, in all seriousness, we've got 6 minutes left of this candle, boys. I just want to see us form it. Yep, can we form the candle? That would be nice. And I feel like I'm made for this. Don't start doing that now. Yeah, that's what we would be doing, yeah. That's it, EK. And I'll still be on my primary shit. 'Cause we are looking bearish. I'm actually liking the look of this, Bears. I'm actually really liking the look of this. Three minutes. Come on, man, for fuck's sake. Why is this taking so long? Why is time going way slower? Don't leave without us. Come on, don't leave without us. Don't you leave without us. I guess we still got a bit of time. Two minutes now. Trust me, Shane. Minute and a half. Come on, give us this closure. We deserve it. We deserve it. We've been patient as hell. Yes, Lizzie, how we doing, man? Come on, don't close below. We did close below, really. It was a bit, but we did close below. Let's see if we get an entry here now, though. I'm going to send this chart into the Discord, boys. I'm still really liking GU to come up before the move to the downside. I'm still definitely looking at that, but let's do. If you've got any questions, boys, just drop me. Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah, well, if you boys want to drop me a message, feel free, man. Drop me a message, at me in the Discord, and if you need any help, we can go through it, man. 100%. So yeah, I appreciate you boys. I'll see you, man, tomorrow. The members, I'll see you boys at half 6 in the pre-London. For you normal dudes, I'll be Lou will be live at half 8, and then I'll be back at 1 o'clock. I appreciate you boys. You have a good rest of your fucking day, and no stupid trades, alright? No stupid bloody trades.